So here we have lovely Michelle, who's my model today, and I am currently using the Eborian Red CC Cream on just Michelle's red areas. So kind of around the nose, sides of the nose, on the nose and on the chin. I'm using a gorgeous base here that I'm going to put down in the details. It's a new base by Lisa Eldridge. Michelle's used to wearing quite a heavy base, so this is a surprise for her that this worked really well. It's lovely and glowy and it's quite sheer, so it looks really nice on Michelle. Next we go in with some concealer, just in the dark areas there, just using some peach concealer around the nose, in any shadowy areas, okay? When you put the concealer on, you tap and buff, you don't swirl and swipe the brush, otherwise you're just sweeping it off. Okay, so just finishing up there. What's next? Oh, there we go. It's a nice shot of her skin prepped. Looks lovely. Looks like skin, but with a nice coverage. Using the bronzer just to give Michelle a little bit of contouring and a bit of shadow and shape to her face, plus a little bit of colour, which is always nice. A little bit on the nose there, a little bit of sun kiss. There we go. Down the neck, always down the neck, because it's always much paler than the face. Using some blusher here, really lovely e.l.f. blusher, just on the apples of the cheeks, blending it out. It looks really pretty. It just transforms the whole look, I think. There we go, look at that. Using a really easy brow mascara on Michelle's brows. She's got a nice brow shape. They just need to be woken up where the makeup's been put on. So just going through, brushing them upwards and outwards. Easy peasy. Now, this is a tip for Michelle's hooded eyes. If you just put the colour just on the hood, like I've done there, and then blend, just keep blending and buffing. I'm using one colour over Michelle's whole eyelid there, and just making sure it's all buffed in nicely. But putting those 3 dots at the top of the eye gives you an idea of where you're meant to take the eyeshadow up to. I'm now doing darker in the outer corners, again doing the dot thing, and again just blending that through, taking it slightly across the eye but keeping it on the outer edge. Okay, using that dot method just helps you know where the placement needs to be. Never be afraid of droppage. Just use your foundation brush to sweep outwards and upwards to clear up any droppage or mess. I'm using a small brush here, and I'm using the same eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, just for underneath Michelle's eyes. Little blend there with my finger, just to give a nice smoky look to her hooded eyes. Again, sweeping up anything that may have gone astray, or just to neaten it up really. There you go, I'm doing the dots again. Just gives you an idea of where the placement is. Keep blending. You do blend more than you place. Again, brushing any debris off. Taking it underneath the eyes to give that nice smoky effect, using the really small stubbly brush there just to keep it nice and tight. Okay, so we've got the eyes on. I'm using a really nice sheer cream eyeshadow that's going to give a little bit of highlight in the corners of Michelle's eyes, just to open the eyes slightly and just to bring them forward. Just do it on the other one there. And then I place it just in the corners of Michelle's eyes as well, just to give a little bit of light reflecting in those corners. Here I'm using a nice minky coloured eyeliner, which you can't really have a smoky eye without the eyeliner, and a really tight mascara wand. See how tiny that mascara wand is? It just gets right to the root. It's brilliant, and it doesn't leave any marks. Using a lip line and a nice natural lipstick on Michelle's lips. And there's just a really nice going out smoky eye for a hooded eye. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy that. I think she looks absolutely bloody gorgeous.